artifacts, including NORD 2, wound up in the private collection.
NORD delivered a fast and smooth experience, powerful cameras, and phones. That's because technology has changed to 5G. Camera system, AI-powered performance, and a competitive lineup of crucial smartphone features that make it nearly indistinguishable from a flagship phone. Saying this phone is pretty much everything you could ask for.
Give me the word.
Its gray matte finish kind of mirrors the shiny metallic frame of a luxury sports car. But fair warning, we are not responsible if looking at this colorway causes you to have an early midlife crisis. But that extra shininess doesn't come at the cost of this matte finish's texture. It's got a smooth, slightly grainy in-hand feel that's both fingerprint and smudge resistant. Remember NORD 1's Blue Marble? Blue Haze is like Blue Marble's cousin, except a slightly cooler, slightly sexier, and slightly more porcelain-like cousin. If you rotate this colorway under the light, you notice that it bends and reflects a dazzling spectrum of both blues and whites. Truly magnificent, isn't it? We've got our India-exclusive green woods. At first, we thought we should wrap this colorway in flannel to match the rugged exterior, but we decided you might like the smooth, natural, and semi-grainy feel of the green PU leather a whole lot more. What a beauty. Seamlessly with the smooth contour and rounded edges of OnePlus NORD 2's frame, we can safely say that after 40,000 years of evolution, we have finally tapped the vastness of human potential needs. So we've added a slight curve to the dual-layer 3D AG glass on the back of Gray Sierra and Blue Haze, and that makes the phone feel thinner, smoother, and more ergonomic.
Is the 50-megapixel AI triple camera with optical image stabilization. The sensor? A Sony IMX766, which you may remember from our flagship OnePlus 9 series. It's capable of shooting video at up to 4K 30 frames per second. Frankly, calling it a sensor isn't very accurate. It's more like a vacuum, or two. This version combines an AI algorithm and the IMX766 sensor for even better results in dark and low light conditions. Just how dark? As dark as 1 lux, which is the equivalent to a single candle's light. You'll also like to deliver clearer nighttime portrait shots with scary amounts of color. And video enhancement, which adjusts the color, contrast, and brightness of your videos as you're shooting. There's also AI photo enhancement, which is capable of recognizing up to 22 different photography scenarios and optimizes your subject's color, contrast, and definition in camera. It's got a Sony IMX615 sensor with 32 megapixels. Like the first NORD, that's the highest megapixel count out of any OnePlus front camera. It allows you and up to 4 friends to capture yourself from all the best angles. Milliamp-hour dual-cell battery. Why dual cell? You guessed it. OnePlus NORD 2 comes with Warp Charge 65, which is twice as fast as a Warp Charge 30T on the original NORD. How 15 minutes. A 4,500 milliamp-hour dual
1200 AI flagship processor. Of course, you may be familiar with Mediatek 1200 chipset, but the Dimensity 1200 AI is a unique chipset developed through a partnership between Mediatek and OnePlus to give the NORD 2 improved AI software performance. Supported by up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage for ultra-fast speeds and smooth display to provide a fast, that's true power. But a top-notch processor doesn't help if the operating system it runs on is slower than a hard-up-turret OxygenOS 11.3. Our refreshed and refined version of our famous OxygenOS. It's a fast, smooth, and easy-to-use platform that's full of great features like dark mode and the new OnePlus 90Hz refresh rate. And Full HD Plus AMOLED display are a strong flex on the competition. For the 90Hz display has 50% more visual information per second than a regular 60Hz display. With OxygenOS 11.3, combined to
this technology, which supports download speeds up to 1.2 gigabits per second, or haptics to haptics 2.0 for a smoother, more sensitive, and tactile experience. Hope you're super excited to get your hands on a OnePlus NORD 2 5G. But our mission to bring the best technology to the world doesn't just stop with fast, smooth, and affordable phones. We've got something special for all the music lovers and audiophiles in the OnePlus family to help you hear your world better than ever.
Great. See you soon.
Buds Pro. After all, they are here, but not here. Maybe in Aruba, Jamaica? Advanced algorithm that will pick up unwanted frequencies and isolate your voice with ambient noise, so your voice will always be crystal clear during calls. Playtime for the earbuds, and 31 hours of extra playtime in the case when ANC is turned off. But you will still get 5 hours of playtime for the earbuds and extra 23 hours of playtime in the case. Minutes, and they will be yours for 10 hours. Charge them wirelessly on the back of your OnePlus 9 Pro. Latency of 94 milliseconds. In the box, and the pop-up window appears on your OnePlus phone. They are sweat and dust resistant.
Updates and 3 years of security update of OnePlus Buds Pro comes with a full warranty. For more details and warranty info,